we are going to make it. I don't know when, I don't know how, but we will find a way. We are now going to lunch. We finally checked out Palácio da Pena. It was an amazing monument with such nice architecture. So we decided to take a trail to go to our restaurant and have a bit of adventure here. The air here is so pure. I can feel the difference from the city. So where can we go to the trails? We are trying to find the next trail, but we don't have a map. Only GPS sign. It seems to be here. Let's see. We are on the trails again. Look at this. Only greenery around me. And the great thing about this is that we are completely alone in the woods. But we're going to make it. I don't know when, I don't know how, but we will find a way. So let me know in the comments if would you come to Sintra or not, to experience these beautiful landscapes, to experience these trails on the forest, to experience that bumpy tuk-tuk ride. Look at these guys. It's amazing to be here, be able to walk on these tiny paths, tiny trails. It's the first time I'm doing something like this. If this rock falls, we will not be discovered by anyone. We would stay here. So take care when riding on trails or something like that, because some rocks fall over here. Yeah, you can see the sky. There is sun at sight. There's some other people in the trail. Nice. Yeah, you have way all the way up.
Yeah.
It's a bit longer, but okay. So some other people appeared here. Seems they've come from downside. I don't know, but yeah, there's a path here, and I think we already know this road. This was the trail. We arrived. Yeah, this is the road to Castelo dos Mortos. Now we have to go down again. Let's keep going. Look at this steepness. We are really high on the mountain. Yeah, almost 3 o'clock. But I checked before, and the restaurant is open until 6 o'clock. So we are now arriving at the restaurant. This restaurant we are going to is Tasca Antiga. This restaurant has very great food. I really advise you guys to come here. If you come to Sintra, it's a very nice place to eat. So the restaurant is a bit full. We may need to wait a bit to have a table. If you are thinking to come here to this restaurant, you really should mark your table or do a reservation, because yeah, you'll find this restaurant always full. The food is very nice, and the waiters also. Yeah, you need to do a reservation to have a place when you come here. mushroom, a stuffed mushroom. We have here chorizo, some pica-pau, eggs with smoked sausage. I don't know. I'll check the name later for you. And we have here pork cheeks and some potatoes, right? This is a very nice restaurant, but as I said before, make sure you do a reservation, or else you may not get in. So now I'm eating pica-pau. This is like cow meat, fried cow meat with the sauce. Very juicy. Now I'm eating with eggs with smoked sausage. I know the aspect is not the best, but this is actually the part of the sausage. Not the best aspect because it's like bread and like a sausage with egg yolk blended, so it's a bit strange, but it's good. And some croutons also. Now I'm eating the pork cheek. This has such a thick sauce. We already had lunch, late lunch. It was like from 3 o'clock until now. I have a gift for some friends that are visiting my country, Nadia and Irfan. If you want to check their channel is Field of Visions. But yeah, this will be the end of this walk, the end of this walk through Sintra. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.